Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today, we have Jasmine. Now, Jasmine was first created by Paul Harrington on a challenge. His college friend challenged him to make a cocktail he's never had before. His last name was Jasmine, so he named it after him. Let's make the Jasmine. Chilled Cocktail, ounce and a half. Any general work into a cocktail shaker. 1 ounce Cointreau or any other orange liqueur. 3/4 ounce Campari. Half ounce fresh lemon juice. Add ice. Give it a good shake. Into a chilled coupe glass, we're gonna strain up. Then garnish, lemon wedge. There you have the creation of the Jasmine. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. So, well-balanced drink. Little bitter, little sweet, little sour, not overpowering. Good job, Polly. Hey, go home, try it for yourself. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram at The Blue Collar Bartender. Thank you. Goodbye.